Good day everyone! For today's vlog, we will be having a cooking vlog. We will cook bola-bola and here's the ingredients. Okay, so first, you will peel the onions and cut into dice. You can use a peeler, but for me, I don't have that tool. That's why I use a knife. The next one is the carrot. Peel the carrots and cut into dice. Always remember that you should not let your fingers cross into the knife to avoid accident. And lastly, the garlic. Peel it off and cut into dice. These are the ingredients. We have flour, onions, carrots, garlic, oil, ground pork, egg, and salt, pepper to taste. And after, for safety purposes, to avoid contamination, wash your hands before mixing or combining all the ingredients. So next, mix or combine all the ingredients very well. And next, mix it well by the use of your both hands. But make sure that your hands is clean, of course. Next, get a spoon, get a ground pork with the mixed ingredients, and then circular motion by the use of your both hands. Afterwards, gradually put each one on the pan if it is hot and cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, put it in a strainer to let the oil drain for itself. And also, you can put napkins for the oil to drain. It is optional. So, here's our finished product. Okay, so let's have some tasting for our Bola-Bola. And it is good. Thank you for watching.